Welcome, muscle car aficionados. Today, we're diving into the heart-pounding world of muscle cars, the holy grails of automotive history. These machines are so unique, they're like finding a diamond in a scrapyard. From factory experiments to low-production legends, these cars represent the zenith of American performance and innovation. So buckle up as we take you on a ride through the top 10 rarest muscle cars of all time. Let's roll. 1970 Buick GSX Stage 1 455. The 1970 Buick GSX was Buick's bold statement in the muscle car arena. Debuting as a prototype at the Chicago Motor Show, it received an enthusiastic thumbs up from attendees. Buick positioned the GSX as a direct competitor to the Chevelle SS and Pontiac GTO, and it delivered in style and performance. What makes this car truly rare is the Stage 1 455 engine. Out of 678 GSXs produced, only 400 came with the Stage 1 option, and just 118 featured the 4-speed manual transmission. Its powerful 455 V8 could churn out a staggering 510 pound-feet of torque, making it a force on the streets. The last known sale of this masterpiece was for $203,500 in 2020. With its unmatched pedigree, it's likely appreciated since, earning its spot. 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. The Boss 429 Mustang wasn't just a car, it was a NASCAR homologation legend. Ford's mission was clear: to create a street-legal car that housed the mighty 429 cubic-inch engine, designed for high-speed dominance on NASCAR tracks. With just 1,356 units produced between 1969 and 1970, rarity is built into its DNA. Early models featured the coveted S-Code engine, which boasted magnesium valve covers and an underrated 375 horsepower, though real-world tests showed it could produce over 500. The craftsmanship at Ford's Brighton, Michigan facility ensured each car was a masterpiece. One of these low-mileage beasts recently fetched $523,000. 1969 Dodge Coronet RT Hemi convertible, 4-speed. The Dodge Coronet RT Hemi convertible is a sleeper among Chrysler's B-body lineup, but its rarity elevates it to legendary status. Of the 107 Hemi-powered Coronets built, only 10 were convertibles, and just 4 were paired with a 4-speed transmission. Today, only one of these remains in existence, making it a true unicorn. Its stunning bright metallic green exterior with a white interior adds to its allure. This gentleman's muscle car sold for $625,000 in 2016, and its value is only climbing. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Copo 9560 ZL1. Chevrolet's Copo Central Office Production Order program bypassed GM's restrictions on engine size for smaller cars, resulting in the Camaro Copo 9560 ZL1. With an all-aluminum 427 V8 engine, the ZL1 was built for drag racing glory. Only 69 of these models were ever made. The featured car in our countdown is one of just 12 equipped with the Muncie M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed transmission. This combination of rarity and performance makes it a collector's dream. Its last sale in 2021 brought in $825,000. Number 6. 1966 Shelby GT350 Paxton Supercharged. When Carroll Shelby added a Paxton Supercharger to the already iconic GT350, the result was an unstoppable force. Of the 1,373 GT350s built in 1966, only 11 were supercharged from the factory, and this particular example is one of just 4 painted in candy apple red. With its striking design and performance upgrades, this car fetched $852,000 in 2020. It's rumored that 8 of these 11 supercharged models are still out there. If you're lucky, you might uncover one in a barn somewhere. 5. 1970 Plymouth Superbird Hemi 4-speed. With its massive rear wing and nose cone, the 1970 Plymouth Superbird epitomized NASCAR's homologation era. Only 135 of these winged warriors were built with the legendary Hemi engine, and just 2 were painted in the retina-searing limelight green. This low-mileage example, one of the rarest, sold for $852,500. Its iconic design and track-bred engineering. 4. 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge convertible. The GTO Judge was the epitome of muscle car swagger, and this orbit orange convertible with the Ram Air 4 engine is one of only 7 ever made. A former factory exhibition car, it's loaded with rare options, including an automatic transmission and Formula steering wheel. This museum-worthy masterpiece recently sold for $1.1 million, proving that the Judge is still ruling the muscle car world. Number 3. 1970 Dodge Challenger Hemi Convertible. The Dodge Challenger's e-body design brought style and performance to the pony car wars. This Hemi-powered convertible is one of just 9 built and one of only 4 equipped with an automatic transmission. In 2016, it sold for an astonishing $1.65 million, making it a benchmark for ultra-rare muscle cars. It's a time capsule that embodies the peak of American automotive excellence. 2. 1969 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Convertible, 4-speed. This first-generation Firebird Trans Am is a rarity among rarities. Of the 8 convertible Trans Ams produced in 1969, this is the only one with a 4-speed transmission and a white-on-white color scheme. Its stunning cameo white exterior with Tyrol blue accents makes it a showstopper. In 2016, this special bird sold for $1.9 million, firmly securing the runner-up position in our countdown. 1. 1971 Plymouth Cuda Hemi Convertible, 4-speed. Topping our list is the 1971 Plymouth Cuda Hemi Convertible, the ultimate muscle car. With just 11 Hemi convertibles produced that year and only one painted in Winchester gray, its rarity is unmatched. This car's value skyrocketed to $4.9 million at auction. As the pinnacle of muscle car performance and collectability, it reigns supreme at number 1. There you have it, 10 of the rarest muscle cars ever built. These machines are more than cars. They're rolling works of art and history. If you're lucky enough to encounter one, cherish the moment. And if you ever find yourself in a position to own one, you've hit the jackpot. Which of these was your favorite? Did we miss any rare gems? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping automotive content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving fast.